Democratic State Representative Frank Burns insists that he supports the Second Amendment despite voting against a recent measure that would recognize constitutional carry rights with or without a permit. The move has now led to a lot of questions from some constituents in Cambria County, but Burns says there's more to the story. Here's Olivia Bosser.
Republicans and supporters of gun rights have their sights set on a constitutional carry law that would allow Pennsylvanians to carry a gun without a permit.
Constitutional carry is among a host of bills that are important to gun owners. Cambria County is loaded with gun owners.
The measure almost passed as part of a House bill back in May, but it was just one vote shy. Gun rights activists like Cliff Maloney of Citizens Alliance are blaming the stall on one local lawmaker.
He's been telling this same lie for years, and now in 2025, Frank Burns has officially voted against constitutional carry, something that we've been able to count on him for decades. He just really showed who he is.
But Representative Frank Burns says he didn't vote no to constitutional carry. He just didn't support the amendment being attached to another piece of legislation. That bill was House Bill 464, which would extend the statute of limitations for victims of child sexual assault to sue their abuser. Burns told WTAJ News in a statement, the people at today's rally can't claim to support the Constitution while ignoring the very rules that protect it, citing the state constitution's single subject rule, which Burns says would have made the addition of the constitutional carry amendment to this bill unlawful. Burns says he feels the amendment was added in an attempt to sabotage HB 464, which currently sits in the state Senate. Burns has now put forward his own bill to ratify constitutional carry in Pennsylvania, telling WTAJ News he has a 17-year record of supporting Second Amendment rights and feels the groups at today's rally should have been advocating for Republican votes in favor of his constitutional carry bill instead of holding a political rally. But Maloney does not believe that Burns wrote the legislation in good faith.
His record shows he voted against constitutional carry, the amendment that was very clear. Even though he claims to be this great pro-gun legislator, the jig is up.
But the debate over gun rights is far from over, with Burns and Senator Doug Mastriano both working on pieces of legislation addressing the matter. In Ebensburg, Olivia Bosser, WTAJ News.